Hello students, how are you? I am your Jahir sir and welcome to the Jahir sir's math class. Today we are going to discuss about some questions related to playing cards. Let us start the class. Yes students, one more question of deck of cards. Okay, let us check the question there first. Rahim take out all the hearts from the cards. From the deck of cards, all hearts removed first. What is the probability of when removing all hearts and remaining from that remaining pack, picking out an ace from the remaining pack? Second one, picking out a diamond. Third one, picking out a card that is not heart. Fourth one, picking out the ace of heart. Already I made a complete video about these playing cards. That link available in I button and I will give the link in description box also. Go and check that one also. Okay, let us start the class. Look at this. First look at this playing cards. In these playing cards, one line heart removed there. Heart removed. Then how many lines are there? How many suits are there? 1, 2 and 3 suits are there. In these 3 suits, each suit 13 cards are there. Means total how many? 39. Let us start here. Total number of cards in a deck, 52 cards. In that 4 suits are there. Let me explain here. 52. Here it divides into 13, 13, 13, 4 parts. This one is spade. Next one, club, heart and diamond. These 4 types are there. From this one, hearts removed. This one is removed there. So, hearts removed. What are the remaining cards? When hearts removed, the number of cards. Is equal to 52 minus 13. 39 cards are there. Means total number of cards now in this problem 39, not 52. Why? Because hearts removed there. Let's check first question. Remaining cards 39 and then what is the probability of picking out an ace from the remaining pack? In a deck of cards, how many ace are there? Once you check this one, 4 aces are there. In those 4 aces is removed there. Then how many remaining? Yes, 3 aces are there. So, question number 1, number of favorable outcomes. An ace from the remaining pack is equal to 3. So, this one is the number of favorable outcomes. Probability is equal to number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. Then we want this one, picking out an ace from remaining pack. So P of an ace from remaining pack is equal to, now in this case number of favorable outcomes 3 by how many total outcomes? 39 only, not 52, 39. When you do the cancellation, 3 ones, 3 ones, 3 threes, 1 by 13 is the answer. Let us check second one. Picking out a diamond. Yes, how many diamonds are there? 13 diamonds are there in a pack of cards. So number of favorable outcomes is equal to 13. Now probability, picking out a diamond, probability of picking out a diamond is equal to, again no need to write the formula, here only written number of favorable outcomes by total outcomes. Number of favorable outcomes is are 13 by 39. When you do the cancellation, 13 ones, 13 threes, here also 3 ones, 3 ones, 3 threes. Now answer is 1 by 3. Yes. Now third question, picking out a card that is not heart. In deck of cards, spade, club, heart, diamonds. In this hearts removed, then how many are there? Here only spades, clubs and diamonds are there. In the spades, club, diamonds, these three also not hearts. So how many are there total overall favorable outcomes? 13 plus 13 plus 13. So favorable outcomes is equal to the third one, no? Number of favorable outcomes is equal to 39. Now probability P of a card that is not heart is equal to number of favorable outcomes 39 by total outcomes also 39. So 39 by 39, 1. And last one, picking out the ace of heart. Here already hearts removed, no hearts are there. That's why this event is impossible event. So picking out the ace of heart is impossible event. Ace of hearts is impossible event. So what is the probability of impossible event? Why impossible event? All hearts already taken out, no hearts are there in that deck of cards. Okay. Now what is the probability in this case? Probability of an impossible event is equal to 0. Is it understood, students? Let us check next question. Yes, students. Next question. What is the probability of for drawing out a red king? Red king from the deck of cards. No card is removed in this question. All cards are there. So, first overall look at this card section. Overall 52 cards are there. In these 52, spades, clubs, hearts and diamonds. Each card, in each suit 13 cards are there. In these 13 cards, one is ace. In every ace, this one king is there. Means overall 4 kings are there. And then these two are black in color. These two are red in color. Black and red. In each one king is there. Look at this deck of cards. This deck of cards, look at this. In this deck of cards, each one king is there. So, how many kings overall? 4 kings are there. In these 4 kings, 2 red, 2 black are there. So, first total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes. How many cards total? 52. So, 52. Number of red kings. Is equal to 2 only. Here 1 in these 2. So, number of favorable outcomes 2. This one only number of favorable outcomes. Then probability P of a card is red king. Is equal to formula is number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. Then favorable outcomes 2 by total outcomes 52. When you do this cancellation, 2 1s, 2 2s 4, 2 6 12. That is equal to 1 by 26. This one is our probability. Okay. Yes, students, one more question from the textbook. Look at the question what is given. One card is drawn from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. Here 52 cards, no cards removed there. 52 cards are there. Find the probability of getting a king of a red color, the face card, a red face card, the jack of heart, a spade, the queen of diamond. Okay. Now, already I made one video, complete video on this deck of cards. Please check out in I box or in description box. First look at that question, that video. You can completely one idea, you can get completely one idea about that cards. Okay. Now, look at these cards. In these cards, how many red colors are there? 2 black and 2 red suits are there. Overall 4 types are there: club, spade, heart, diamonds. In these 4 lines, each line has one ace and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 number cards, jack, queen and king. Okay. What is first one? A red a king of red color. How many red color kings are there? In diamond and heart. Diamonds and hearts are red color. That's why in each suit one king is there. In those two, number of red color kings are 2. So number of favorable outcomes to getting a red to a king of red color. A king of red color is equal to 2. Total number of outcomes is equal to total number of cards. That is equal to 52. So probability is equal to formula number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. So in this case, first one, probability P of a king of red color is equal to 2 red kings are there. So 2 by 52. When you do the cancellation, 2 ones, 2 twos, 2 6, 1 by 26. Let us check second one. Face cards. How many face cards are there in a deck of cards? In each suit, look at this one. In these cards, in each suit 3 face cards are there. In 4 suits, 3 into 4, 12. That's why here number of favorable outcomes is equal to 12. Then probability P of a face card is equal to 12 by 52. When you do the cancellation, 4 3s ja, 4 3s, here 4 1s, 4 3s, so 13. Now third one. In third one, number of favorable outcomes red face cards. Overall 12 face cards are there. In these 12 face cards, 6 red color, 6 black color. That's why red face cards are 6. So probability of a red face card is equal to 6 by 52. 3 by 26. 2 3s, 2 2s, 2 6. Next, fourth one. The jack of heart. Number of favorable outcomes. Here jack of heart. Jack also one card in each suit. Look at this one. Each suit one jack is there. Means 2 black jack, 2 red jack. What is he asking? The jack of hearts. In hearts only one jack is there. That's why number of favorable outcomes 1. Now probability of the jack of hearts 1 by total number of outcomes 52. Next one, a spade. Already I told 4 suits are there. In each suit 13 cards are there. One suit is spade, means number of favorable outcomes 13. Is equal to 13 for fifth question. Now probability of P of a spade is equal to 13 by 52. 13 ones, 13 fours. So 1 by 4 is your answer. And last one, the queen of diamonds. In each suit, look at this one, in each suit 1 queen is there. Means in 4 spades, 4 suits, 1 queen is there. One suit is diamond. In diamond, how many queens are there? 1 only. So number of favorable outcomes here 1. Now probability of the queen of diamond is equal to 1 by 52. Yes students, one more question from this textbook. Look at the question, what is given in the question. 5 cards are there. What are those 5 cards? The 10, jack, queen, king and ace of diamond. 5 ace cards given, only 5 cards given. So let us write first number of outcomes 5. What are those? The 10, jack, queen, king and ace of diamonds. 5 cards these are. What is first one? What is the probability that the card is queen? How many queens are there in these 5 cards? 5 cards are there. 10, jack, queen, king and ace of diamond. So 1 queen is there. That's why number of favorable outcomes. Number 1 question, number of favorable outcomes to a queen is equal to 1 only. Total number of cards 5. So probability, first we will write probability from formula. Probability is equal to number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. Now first one is picking up a queen. That's why probability of a queen is equal to how many favorable outcomes, means how many queens are there? Only 1. So 1 by total number of outcomes 5. In second question, if the queen is drawn and put aside, means they remove this queen, what is the probability that the second card picked up is an ace, a queen? When queen is drawn, then remove that one, means how many outcomes are there now? Only 4 outcomes, means question number 2. Here number of outcomes Number of outcomes 4 only. In these 4, what are those? The 10, Jack, King, and Ace of Diamond. These are the 4 outcomes. 4 outcomes only there. In these 4, what he said? Picked up a card is an ace. How many ace are there? 1 is there. So, number of favorable outcomes. Here A question. Favorable outcomes to an ace. Only 1 is there, so 1. Now probability of P of an ace is equal to number of favorable outcomes 1 by total 4. So 1 by 4 only. Next, queen. In these remaining cards, how many queens are there? Already queen removed there. That's why no queen is there. That means what is that? The card drawn queen is impossible event. A card is a queen is impossible event. Why impossible? Here no queen is there. That's why it is impossible outcome. So probability of a queen is equal to, what is the probability of impossible event? 0. Is it understood? Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.